Hi there, in this video we're going to take a look at the Internship Blackboard site. So you can see I've already logged into Blackboard and I've advanced to the internship site. At the left hand side I'm going to click on Assignment Guides. In the Assignment Guides section there's lots of documents that you'll need to know and complete for your internship experience. The internship class is available to two groups of students, the administrative professional students and the medical administrative specialist students. We're going to start by taking a look at the administrative professional documents. In this folder on the Blackboard site, let's start with looking at the internship requirements document. This document houses all of the rules for the class. So you'll want to download and print and review this document when you're first beginning to look for an internship. In addition, take this document with you as you start to make contact with offices and organizations that you want to intern at. It's a good document that lays out the rules of the class, so sharing that with potential internship sites is really helpful. In addition, you should print and review the internship agreement form and the supervisor verification form. Once you have a site that's willing to host you as an intern, then you need to have the internship agreement form completed as well as the supervisor verification form. In the internship agreement, basically, it's a contract where you agree to be a good intern, your internship host agrees to be a good organization, giving you good experiences and all that sort of thing. And the internship instructor agrees to be a good instructor and provide you with the proper support needed to successfully complete your internship experience. In the supervisor verification form, we ask for demographic data about your supervisor as well as their work history so that we can ensure that they will be a good internship supervisor for the experience. Once you have these forms completed and you have an organization that's willing to host you as an intern, then you need to submit both of these forms to the Blackboard site so that the internship instructor can process them and give to you the official college approval. You cannot start your internship experience until you have that official approval, and that approval won't be given until these two forms are submitted. After you start working at your internship site, then you'll start to get to work on your internship journal, and there's a whole separate video for helping you know how to complete the journal properly. Once your internship hours are done, then you'll start to get to work on all of the remaining documents in the Blackboard site. Let's hop over and take a look at the medical administrative specialist documents. They're very similar to the AP documents, except for the first one. In the MAS section of the Blackboard site, the first document is not called the Internship Requirements document. Instead, it's called the MAS Student Policy, but it contains the same kind of information. It lays out the rules for the class. So if you are an MAS student, download and print this document, review it yourself, and take it with you as you make inquiries about potential internship placements. Once you're ready to submit any of the other documents for your internship class, then you want to advance to the Submit Here section of our Blackboard site. The Submit Here section contains all the links for submitting all of the documentation for your internship class. As you get ready for your internship experience or as you work your internship hours, if you have any questions at all, feel free to email your internship instructor.